So there are a lot of exciting news coming from Paws now. Today is the snapshot, and the option to claim your Paws token is actually appearing on the Paws website. So if you come here, you discover that here is a visit our website. So when you click here, it's going to lead you to a place, their website, where you'll be required to verify your account and also to connect your wallet. Not only that, you're going to see the claim button. So I'm going to be showing you here. You come to here, you are going to see said dashboard, then here claim. So if you click on the claim button, you can see it said claim is coming. So make sure to connect the wallet and follow a social handle. So the option to claim is not activated yet, but there are things you need to actually do. And if you come here, you're going to see the option to connect your Ton wallet. So let me deactivate it. I've connected it. So I'm going to deactivate it. So the option to connect your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet. So those two options, you need to connect it. Previously, you've done the connection. You are going to reconnect it. So if you come to your Ton connection, just click on your Ton connection. So you're going to link you directly to your Ton account. Then here you get it connected. Simple, straight, and short. So then the second one, which is Solana wallet, I believe they are still working on it because I've tried to connect it. It's actually not going. You might actually be facing the same situation. So if you click here, you're going to see Phantom. So I'm going to select Phantom. Then from here, it's a connect Phantom wallet. So we're going to click on Phantom wallet. So it's going to redirect us to a Phantom wallet. Then here it said, just wait a little longer. So here it's activated. You click on connect. So I'm going to click on connect. Then here is where it's leading us. It said, pause. Animals are done. It is all season. Verify yourself. If you click again, it will redirect you. So I believe they are still working on it. That's why it's giving this kind of problem. And at the time I copied the address and I took it to my Phantom wallet to make sure it can be connected, still facing the same problem. So all you need to do is to make sure you keep on to stay updated. So as those things are coming, we'll update you so that you can get the right thing done at the right time. So this is what is bringing again. Say account verified. Take a click on continue on the website. It's still the same thing. It's telling us to actually verify our account. Get the point. So we'll keep you posted. Do what to subscribe, like a video. As those updates are coming, we'll keep you posted. So and more importantly, snapshot takes place today. So anything can happen anymore from now. So see you